Question number 31st. The median of the following data is 16. Find the missing frequencies A and B if the total of the frequencies is 70. A class interval is given 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, and the frequencies are given 12, 8, 12, 15, B, 6 and 4. Here median is given 16 and total frequency is given 70. So now first of all we prepare this type table, this class interval and frequency we write here. For the median, look here given to us is the median is 16 and the total frequency is 70, so we can write summation f is 70, and we will find the sum of these all. We get 55 plus A and B, and we will find here CF, cumulative frequency. This is 12 is as it is 12 plus A, okay, and then 12 we will add 24 plus A, then we will add 15 and this we add, we get 39 plus A, and then we add B, so we get 39 plus A plus B, 39 and 6 we will add, we will get here 45 plus A plus B, 45 plus 6 we will get here 51 plus A plus B, and 51 plus 4 is 55 plus A plus B. So this type we get here, the total is 55 plus A plus B, and this should equal to 70. So here this 55 plus A plus B should equal to 70, means we can write here B equal to 70 minus 55 and minus A. So B is equal to, this is 15 minus A, this is equation 1. Now in question median is given 16, median is 16 is here, look here, this is the we have here 16. So the median class interval is 15 to 20. Here we have this formula for median, we have a formula is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. This is the formula. So L is the lower limit of the median class. So lower limit of median class is 15. N by 2 means here n is 70. N is what is 70, and this is n. This is given to us. This is n, and this is will be 35. This is the CF. Okay, below this interval we take. So here cumulative frequency is 24 plus A, and F is 15. F is what is? F is 15, and H is the interval size is here 5. So though all the value we will put here, median is given 16, so put here 16. L is here, L is 15, and plus n by 2 is 35 minus CF is here 24 plus A, okay, upon F is 15, and into H is 5. This 15 we transfer, we get 16 minus 15 is 1, okay, and we open this bracket, we get 35 minus 24 minus A, and this 5 and 15 we can cancel, we get here 3 we cross multiply, we will get here 3 equal to 35 minus 24, we get here 11 minus A. So we transfer A, and 11 minus 3. 11 minus 3 is 8. So here A equal to, we get 8. This A equal to 8 we will put in equation 1. So we get here B equal to 15 minus A. 15 minus 8 is 7. So we can write here this answer is A equal to 8 and B equal to 7. All you understand this? Look here, question 32 is this type. We have if the angles of the elevation of the top of the candle from two coins distance A are centimeter and B centimeter, where A is greater than B, from its base and in the same straight line from it are 30 degree and 60 degree. Then find the height of the candle. So we will draw the diagram. We will get this type diagram that here is a candle and height of candle is suppose h, and this distance is given here a, this distance is b, and here this angle is 60 degree and this angle is 30 degrees. So first we mark ABCD and we write here in triangle ABC. ABC, this perpendicular and this is base, so we use here tan theta equal to perpendicular upon base, and tan theta, theta is here 60 degree, okay, and perpendicular is h and base is b. Tan 30 means here we can put here root 3, okay, and h and upon b. So okay, this is equation 1. Now we will take in triangle ABD, and here also we use this tan theta equal to perpendicular upon base. Tan theta, theta is here 30 degree. In this triangle theta is 30 degree and perpendicular is h and base is a, and tan 30 is we know already 1 upon root 3, and this is h upon a, and this is equation 2. We will multiply equation 1 and 2. Okay, so equation 1 is root 3 and here is 1 upon root 3, and right hand sides are h upon b and here is h upon a. Root 3 we can cancel, we get 1, and here is h square upon ab. So we cross product, we do h square equal to ab, so h will be equal to root ab. So h is, this is the height of candle, so we write here answer height of candle equal to root AB. All of you understand this? This is very simple. Now look here, next question is the mode of the following data is 67. Find the missing frequency x. Look here class is given 40 to 50 and 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90. And the frequencies are 5, x, 15, 12 and 7 given, and this is for 3 marks. Okay, so how to do this question? Look here, we will prepare this type table. This mode is 67, here class is 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, and the frequencies are these. Okay, first of all we have to find the model class interval, okay, and here this 67 is already given, so here 67 is lying between 60 and 70, 60 and 70, so the model class interval is 60 to 70. All of you understand? Now we know the formula for mode is L plus, mode is L plus f1 minus f0 upon 2 f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. This is formula. And here what is the L? L is the lower limit of the model class, so here lower limit is 60, so here 60. F1, look here, f0, f1 and f2 we have to find. Okay, f1 is the model class interval, so model class interval is 60 to 70. Here this frequency is called the f1, this is f1. Okay, so f1 is here 15, f0 is the previous, okay, so f0 is here x, okay, and f2 is the next frequency, this is 12, and we want h means the interval size, this is 10. So these all value we put here. Mod is given in question 67 and L is here 60, f1 is 15 and f0 is x upon 2 into 15 minus f0, f0 is x minus f2 is 12 and into h is 10. Now look here, 67 minus 60, 67 this we transfer, 60 we transfer. Okay, here 15 minus x upon 15 to the 30, 30 minus x minus 12 and into 10. Okay, this we solve. 67 minus 60 is 7. Okay, and here is 15 minus x upon, from these we subtract 12, we get here 18, 18 minus x we can write, and into 10. Now we will do here the cross product. Okay, so if we do the cross product, what we get to get? 7 into 18 minus x equal to 15 minus x into 10. Now we multiply these. 18 into 7 we get 126 minus 7x equal to this. We multiply 15 into 10 is 150 and minus 10x. 10x we transfer, we get here 10x minus plus and minus 7x 150 and minus 126. We subtract this, we get here 3x. 3x equal to 24, and so x equal to 24 upon 3 means we get here x equal to 8, and we have to find this x equal to only. So this is our answer. All of you understand these? Look at next question is the two plum trees are of equal heights and are standing opposite each other on either side of the river, which is 80 meter wide. From a point O between them on the river, the angles of elevation of the top of the trees are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the height of the trees and the distances of the point O from the trees. So look here, for these, according to this we draw the diagram. We will get this type of diagram. This is the two palm tree first and second. This height is same. So we suppose the height, height of palm tree equal to h. Okay, so both the tree are of h height, and river is 80 meter. Okay, and we have a point O. From O point, one side this angle is 60 degree, second side is 30 degree. Now this point, look at this point, distance is x, so the total distance, the width of the river is 80 meter. So this remaining will be 80 minus x. Now we write here A, B and C and D. Now first we take triangle. In triangle ABO, look here, this is perpendicular and this is base, so we can use here tan theta. Tan theta equal to perpendicular upon base, and tan theta, theta is here 60 degree, perpendicular is here h and base is x, and tan 60 is root 3 and h upon x. So we cross multiply, we get here h equal to root 3x. Same as it is, we take in triangle DCO. Here also tan theta, theta is 30 degree, perpendicular is h and base is 80 minus x. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3 and h upon 80 minus x. This is equation 1. Now we do cross product, we get here root 3h equal to 80 minus x. This is equation 2. Now what we do, we will put the value of h here, put h equal to root 3x in equation 2. So look here, place of h we put here root 3x. Okay, so we get here 80 equal to 80 minus x. Root 3 equal to 80 minus x. X we transfer 3x plus x will be 80. So 4x equal to 80. So we get x equal to 20. Look here, if we get x equal to 20 means BO distance is 20 meter, and OC distance will be 80 minus 20 means 60 meter. All of understand? Now we have to find height. Height is equal to root 3x, and x is what is 20. So we get here 20 root 3 meter. This is the height of tree. Height of palm tree equal to 20 root 3 meter. Okay, and the distances are already we find 20 meter and 60 meter. So this type you have to do the solution. In option, one more question is given. The angles of diffractions of the top and the bottom of a building 50 meter high as observed from the top of a tower are 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower and also the horizontal distance between the building and the tower. Look here, according to this question, we draw here diagram. This is a 50 meter building, and this is a tower on opposite side, And from the top of tower, if we see the top of the building, then we angle is 30 degree, and if we see the bottom from here, this angle of depression is 60 degree, and this distance we suppose x, and height of tower we suppose h. So we write here height of tower is equal to h, and this distance we have here, distance CD equal to x. CD will be x, so BE will be also equal to x. And look here, these are 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree. So it is a we can write BEDC is a rectangle, and rectangle means we can say that ED equal to BC, and this will be 50 meter. So we have to find here AB, and AB will be equal to h minus 50 meter. Okay, this is the 50 meter, and total is h, so this will be h minus 50. All of you understand this? Now first we take a triangle. In triangle AC and D, ACD, this is the tan theta equal to perpendicular upon base, and tan theta is here. Look here, this is 30 degrees, so this will be also 30 degree, and this 60 degrees, so this will be also 60 degree, because these are alternate angles. Tan 60 equal to perpendicular is here h, and base is here x. Tan 60 is here we know √3, and this is h upon x. This implies h equal to √3x. This is equation 1. Same as it is we write in triangle A, B and E. Okay, in this also we use the tan theta. Tan theta is here 30 degree, perpendicular is here h minus 50, and base is x. Now tan 30 we know already 1 upon √3, and place of h we put here √3x minus 50 upon x. Now we do the cross product. So look here, if we do the cross product, we get here x equal to √3 into √3 is 3x, and minus 50 √3. 50 √3 we transfer, and we get here 3x minus x. So this is 50 √3 equal to we get 2x. So x equal to we get here 25 √3. So here the distance CD, we get here 25 √3 meter. And look here, we have to find the height of tower. So height of tower we know already, this is the h equal to √3x, and x is we know already 25 √3. So √3 multiply, we get here 3. So this is 75 meter. So we can write here that height of tower is equal to 75 meter. All of you understand this? This question is water is flowing through a cylindrical pipe of internal diameter 2 cm into a cylindrical tank of base radius 40 cm at the rate of 0.7 meter per second. By how much will the water rise in the tank in half an hour? Okay, so this according this we draw the diagram. Look here, this is a cylindrical pipe, and here is a cylindrical tank. From this water is flowing, and diameter is given 2 cm, and this rate is given flowing water is 0.7 meter per second. So you can write this is per second means time, so height upon time will be, this is height, water is flowing through the height, so it is height. So height upon time is 0.7 meter per second, and time is given half hour. Here radius of the cylindrical tank is 40 cm, and height we have to find. So we can write here that first of all this meter per second, these all are in centimeters, so this we have to change in meter, we have to change in centimeter. So this 7 into 100, okay, upon this meter per second we can write. So this will be 70 meter per second we get. Diameter is 2, so radius is 1 centimeter, and the half hour means this we have to change in second. So 1 hour we have 60 minute, and in 1 minute we have 60 second. Okay, so we get these are second. uh, so this 30, we cancel 30, 6 3 ja 18, 1800 seconds we have in half hour. Now we can write volume of water through pipe equal to volume of water in tank. Okay, so volume of there is, we know, pi r square h, and here also we know pi r square and h. But look here, this h is not given, h upon t given, so we multiply and divide by t. Pi and pi we can cancel, r is given here 1, so we can write 1 into 1, h upon t is given to us 70 meter per second. Okay, and meter, this centimeter, sorry, this is centimeter, centimeter per second we get, and time is 1800. Okay, so and r square is 40 into 40, and h we have to find. Now look here, we get here 70 into 1800 and upon is 40 into 40. Okay, this will be the height. Now we can cancel two zeros, and 4 2 2 ja 4 and 2 9 ja and 2, and this we cancel, we get 35. 35 into 9 is 315, and upon 4 we will get means approximate, we can write here 79 centimeter. All of you understand this? A motorboat covers a distance of 16 kilometer upstream and 24 kilometer downstream in 6 hours. In the same time, it covers a distance of 12 km upstream and 36 km downstream. Find the speed of the boat in still water and that of the stream. First of all, we suppose here that the speed of the boat in still water is x km per hour and the speed of stream is y km per hour. So first we suppose this. Now in upstream speed of boat. Look here, in upstream what happened, the stream is flowing from the speed of the stream is y km per hour and the boat is going above. Okay, this is boat, okay, and this is going x km per hour. So what happened, we have to take the difference. So upstream the speed of boat will be x minus y km per hour, and look here, in downstream speed of boat, look here, in downstream what happened, the stream is flowing from top to above and the boat is also flowing here. Okay, so in the downstream what happened, downstream we have to add this x plus y km per hour. Now look here, the distance here given 16 km in upstream and plus 24 km in downstream. This total time for this is equal to 6 hours. Okay, speed equal to distance upon time. So we know already that time will be equal to distance upon speed. Here distance is 16 km and speed in upstream is we know already upstream speed is x minus y, and here also 24, distance is 24 and speed in downstream is x plus y, and this is equal to 6. Same as it is, we have the second equation is the same time the cover a distance of 12 km. Look at time for 12 km in upstream and 36 km in downstream. This time is same time means this also 6 hours. 12 km in upstream means 12 upon x minus y and 36 upon x plus y, and this is also equal to 6. This is equation number 2. Here these two equations we have to solve. So we will put here 1 upon x minus y equal to a and 1 upon x plus y equal to b. So we get here 16a plus 24b equal to 6. This is third equation, and second equation we get here 12a plus 36b equal to 6. This is the fourth equation. This equation we can divide by 2. Okay, by 2 we can divide by 2, and this also we divide by 2. Look at this, we divide by 2, what we get here, 8a plus 8 this 12b and equal to 3. This is we can say fifth. This we divide by 2, we get 6a plus 2 divided by 2 means 18b, okay, and equal to 3. This is equation 6. Now look here, these two equations we have to solve. LCM of 8 and 6 is 24, so we can make equal to 24. 8 3 ja 24, we multiply by 3, and 4 6 ja 24, so multiply this equation by 4. 8 3 ja 24a plus 12 3 ja 36b equal to 3 3 ja 9, and this we multiply by 4. 4 6 ja 24a and 18 to the 36, 72b equal to 3 4 ja 12 upon look at this, we subtract here, minus 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 cancel. This is 30 minus 36b, and here we get minus 3. So look here, this minus minus we can make plus, and b equal to 3 upon 36 means we can write 1 upon 1 and 1 upon 12. Okay, this b equal to 1 upon 12 we can put here, anywhere we can put in equation 5. So 8a plus 12b, b is here 1 upon 12 and equal to 3. 12 we can cancel, we get 1. So 8a plus 1 equal to 3, so 8a equal to 2. So a equal to, we get here 2 upon 8 means 1 upon 4. This a and b we will put where what we suppose, there we put 1 upon x minus y equal to a. So a is here 1 upon 4, and 1 upon x plus y equal to, so b we put here this 1 upon 12. Look here, these we reciprocal, we do x minus y equal to 4 and x plus y equal to 12. Again we will add this x plus y equal to 12. This is equation number 7, and x minus y equal to 4. This is equation number 8. This we again we add here, so this x 2x equal to, we get here 16, so x equal to 8, and x equal to 8 put in equation 7. So we get here place of x 7 plus y equal to 12. So this implies y equal to 5. Look here, this x is what is speed of boat in still water equal to 8 km per hour, and speed of stream equal to 5 km per hour. So all of you understand this type we have to do this. This is a very important question.